Hi, it's Gareth and Janet. Yeah, and today we're in Willemstad, Curaçao, like the sign says, Curaçao. And we're gonna just walk along this canal, channel, river, and over to the pontoon bridge. So we've been walking through town. We actually went on a tour this morning, snorkeling. Well, the tour wasn't a snorkeling tour, but we brought our own snorkeling stuff, so we snorkeled. It wasn't that great, but the tour was great. I mean, it was a nice sandy beach, turquoise water. I mean, you know, when you think Caribbean, you think this place, or you should. Keep in mind that Curaçao is just about 36 miles north of Venezuela, so South America. But it's, you know, a Dutch island. And as such, since it's Dutch, it has these multicolored buildings and giant birds flying overhead. Of course, the ship is going to be here till about 10 p.m. And as you can see, it's sunset almost here. So that's the pontoon bridge. And every so often, they swing it over here, and you can't cross, of course. And then a boat will go in or out, and then they swing it back into place, and it floats. Nice and peaceful over here, isn't it? There are a certain amount of holes in the sidewalk. You know, not a lot, but be careful. That's the old Freeport shop. That's Santa Ana.
That's the Bank of Venezuela.
Ackerman, where? Bank of Venezuela. Customs. Software. This is the ferry terminal. They got a ferry boat. By the way, that's the Freelands. Remember that from one of our other videos. But they've got a ferry boat that will shuttle you back and forth for free when the bridge is open. Now to them, the bridge is open means you can't cross it. When the bridge is closed, you can walk across it. It's closed now. When it's open, boats can go through it. Let's walk over here. Who doesn't love a mermaid? Hookah bar. Wait, is that? Pina colada, $10. Well, I gotta go around. So along here there's shops and restaurants. If you go down one of these alleys, shops and restaurants, shops and restaurants, shops and restaurants. See? Mr. Tablecloth. Wonder what they sell in there. Oh, tablecloths. Anyway. By the way, M from New York, if you're watching this, hi! I like that license plate. Tell me what a douchey is. They have a giant letters Curaçao sign in the park a couple blocks up here, and a giant letters douchey or dushy sign. And I have no idea what they are. Well, no, this is Willemstad, the capital of Curaçao, by the way. Anywho, we're gonna come over here and sign off. These people are trying to take a picture, so we're gonna wait for them to finish. They're almost done. All right, let's get a closer look. Okay. So from Curaçao,
I'm Janet.
and I'm Garrett.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye!
Bye.
I decided to do one more thing, and that was add crossing the Queen Emma Bridge. So here we are crossing it. Free Winds cruise ship over there, Regal Princess over there, old buildings over there. I mean, what could be better, right? So remember, when the bridge is open, it's not like this. It's folded in over there and you can't cross it. They call that open. This is closed that we're on right now. But when the bridge is open, you can take that little blue and white ferry boat across if you don't want to wait. I'm not sure why you wouldn't want to wait. So we're going to walk back to the ship, and you can see the top of the ship right there by the sun, and say goodbye to Curaçao. Got anything to say?
See you.
Bye.